It's not really biological, it's just mechanical. So when one snores, what's happening really is that the airway is partially closing off, kind of in the back of your airway in the oropharynx area. There's a slight blockage, but not a complete blockage. So with that slight blockage, as the air passes in and out, as you breathe, the air passes in and out, and there's a vibration that's happening back there, and it's called snoring. Guess what? That's not a problem. You can even get REM sleep when you're snoring. It's a problem for maybe someone else who is listening to you snore. But just snoring is definitely not a problem. So that's what snoring is